In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TikTok Pixel for Shopify. Easiest and best way. First, open your Shopify admin. Make sure you're signed in with a staff role that can install apps and manage sales channels. From your admin, head to the Apps area and choose the option to add more apps. This takes you into the Shopify App Store. Once you're in the App Store, click into the search bar to highlight it, then type TikTok. In the results, select the official TikTok app from TikTok PT Limited. This is the app that handles the TikTok Pixel for you, so you don't need to paste code manually. Click Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs to run properly, like tracking store events for ads. Review them, then confirm the install to continue. After Shopify finishes, you'll land back in your admin with the TikTok app added. Now click Setup Now inside the TikTok app. You'll see a guided setup flow. Choose Setup Ads to begin connecting your TikTok business assets. When the page loads, it's ready to walk you through each connection. Next, select TikTok for Business to link your TikTok account. If you're prompted to log in, use your business credentials and approve access. It helps to have your business center and ads manager already created, but you can connect existing ones here. Choose your TikTok Business Center account. This is the container that holds your assets and team permissions. Then select the TikTok Ads Manager you want to use for this store. Picking the correct ad account ensures your pixel data goes to the right place and your campaigns can optimize properly. Continue to data sharing. This sets how Shopify shares customer and event data with TikTok for measurement and optimization. Select the level that matches your compliance needs and advertising goals. You can adjust this later if your strategy changes. Move on to company information. Fill out the necessary business details so your account is compliant and your ad tools are fully enabled. Accuracy here helps with account verification and smooth campaign setup. Finally, click Finish Setup. Shopify and TikTok will sync, and the TikTok Pixel will be installed automatically on your storefront through the app integration. From here, your product views, add to carts, and purchases will begin flowing into your TikTok Ads Manager for reporting and optimization. That's it. You've installed the TikTok Pixel on Shopify the easiest and best way, through the official app with no code required. If something doesn't look right, revisit the TikTok app in Shopify to confirm your business center, ads manager, data sharing setting, and company info